Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. If you have not already visited our website, be sure to do so. We have a lot going on at Your Path. Welcome to our new subscribers, and thank you to all of our subscribers. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember, it will pay off at the end. So now on to our problem for the day. So here's what a test item may look like. If two angles are complementary, whereas angle A equals 8x minus 5 and angle B equals 5x minus 9, what is the value of x? And here you have your 5 options. You have option 1, x equals 5, 2, x equals 8, 3, x equals 9, 4, x equals negative 8, and 5, x equals negative 9. Need your high school diploma? Your Path for Adult Learners offers 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses for adults that are seeking to earn their high school credential. Learn more about our program at yourpathforadultlearners.com. So now, in order to solve this problem, you want to make sure that you are familiar with complementary angles. And the rule for complementary angles is that A plus B equals 90. So now, once you have that information, you can take the information that you have, which you do know the value of A, and you also know the value of B, and you're able to insert it into your equation to find the value for x. Okay? So now let's do that now. So we know that the value of A is 8x minus 5. And now we're going to add B. And we know that the value for B is 5x minus 9. And we know that all of this equals to 90. So now here we have our equation, and now we're able to solve for the value of x, which is our question. What is the value of x? Okay, so our next step is to combine our like terms, and here we have 8x plus 5x, which will give us 13x. And we also have a negative 5 plus a negative 9, and that will give us a negative 14. And all of this will equal to 90. So we're just going to bring down our value of 90. And so now we need to solve for x. We're going to add 14 on both sides of our equation, which will allow us to then cross out 14 on our left side of the equation. And when we do so, we get 13x equals, and 90 plus 14 gives us 104. Okay, we're going to move this up here. So we still have 13x equals 104. We are still solving for the value of x. And so now, in order to isolate our x, we're going to divide by 13 on both sides of our equation. And when we do so, we're able to cross out 13 on the left side of the equation, which will give us x equals. And when we divide 13 into 104, we get 8. So now we know our value for x, which is 8. And we can come over here to our options, and we see that option number 2 is the correct choice in terms of answering our question, which once again states, what is the value of x? Having solved for the value of x, we can now eliminate options 1, 3, 4, and 5 because we know that they do not apply. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.